You guys are being so good. So good. Want to sit? Sit. Good boy. Here you go. A little treat. Good boy, Harley. You want some, Snowball? Huh? You want some? Good boy. Sitting. Good boy. Look at that little beard. Oh. There's Oliver. What's up, Ollie? How you doing? Are you bugging out because they're so big? I know. The dogs are they're so much bigger than you. So what's going on? You having a good time today? Did you have fun today? What'd you think? Thinking about some more food, huh? You engage in the core? Engage in the core? Harley? You look totally engaged. Alright, so right now we have a little Stromboli action. That's pretty good. Just giving him a little bit of dough. Nothing wrong with that. Get some veggies in it. Health equals wealth. Hey, Ollie. What are you doing? What do you want? Want some more, Ollie? How about you, Snowball? Snowball, what's up? How you doing, Snowball? Hey, Ollie? Want a treat, too? There you go. Here you go, Harley. Go ahead, Harley. Harley, right up here. Good boy. What you know about lollipops? Ooh. Oh, Ollie. Snowball. Oh, there's Harley. Want some more. Know about it.